Every time you hit play in Unity, you wait. Every time you change a line of code, you wait again. Seconds add up to minutes. Minutes add up to hours. That's not iteration, that's friction. ZeroReload eliminates both bottlenecks permanently. Near instant play mode entry. Code changes applied in real time. No domain reloads. No stale state. No lost time. Unity's disable domain reload option makes play mode entry nearly instant, but it leaves static fields with stale values between sessions, causing subtle, hard-to-trace bugs. ZeroReload solves this automatically. Every static field across your project is detected at compile time, reset cleanly on each play, and initialized in the correct dependency order, without a single line of boilerplate from you. And when you need to change code mid-session, Hot Reload applies your changes instantly, without restarting the editor or losing your scene state. New fields are preserved. Existing object values are kept. When you're ready to commit, your changes are promoted to permanent serialized fields automatically. ZeroReload works out of the box on Windows, macOS, and Linux, with no configuration required for your own code. Get it on the Unity Asset Store and start saving hours every day.